In Flanders field the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks still bravely singing fly. Scars heard amid the guns below. We are the dead short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow. Loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders field. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from failing hands we throw. The touch be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep though poppies grow in Flanders field.
And then you have the German observation line.
Oh, that's for real?
Yeah.
That is a real German.
Exactly. They used to be only about 20 meters apart. So extremely close, you can throw a grenade from one trench to another, and you can hear each other speak. So there would be a bit of taunting sometimes between the soldiers. Of the 4th Canadian Division, so where the cemeteries are today, who would have attained half of their objective the 10th of April, so a day later, and half of their objective is where the monument is today. The ridge.